It's the following weekend. We haven't gotten anything. It's been Saturday and half of Sunday. Maybe we'll have better luck during gun season, but we did have a lot of good times. There's Brian over in the tree stand.